on, you guys? Welcome back to another adventure with us here. So we have planned to go to Yosemite. Taking my mom with me. She's in the background. Say hi, Mom. Hello. So it's gonna be my sister and my brother-in-law and my nephew. First time Yosemite, so I was kind of excited to take them along. Figure, you know, we've been here many times, so we get a chance to show them. But unfortunately, we were only to get 2 nights in Upper Pine Campground in Yosemite Valley. So our plan is today we're gonna make our way up to Yosemite area, and we're gonna camp nearby. So we're on our way to Bass Lake. And so we can camp one night at Bass Lake, and then early tomorrow morning make us into Yosemite Valley, and then spend as much time as we can in Yosemite. So yeah, and I'm excited. I haven't been to Bass Lake. I know it's a great fishing spot, so I'm excited to see that kind of fish I'll get, basically. So 10 more minutes to Bass Lake, but check it out. Alright, so we got campsite number 18. We actually had number 3, but people were still there, and the camp host said that there's number 18 available, so we went to check it out. And actually this place is a little bit better, more shady area, more flat areas, and a little bit more wider parking space. And so campsite, I mean, there's the lake right there. So that's kind of cool. Probably gonna take a look at it in a little bit, but yeah, time to relax right now. Gonna go for a dip. It's so freaking hot. It's like 99 and the sand is just burning right now. Alright, I'm gonna go dip in the water. Woo. Let me bring my short. Forgot it. I don't care anymore. Oh, the water feels so good. Good morning, guys. Got some really good sleep in the hammock. You guys ever get a chance to go camping and weather's good? Sleep in a hammock. It was really nice. And then just like seeing the stars every time I open my eyes. That was pretty cool. However, we had a crazy encounter. We had a bear in our campsite. He was trying to get into our cooler around 2 o'clock. I hear some rocketing around the tent area. I looked up and he got our Yeti cooler pushed over and try and break it. So I had to wake up and shine a flashlight in his face, and he took off. It was a smaller bear, but still was a bear. Then he came back around another 2 hours later and try and get it again, but as soon as he saw the flashlight, he took off, and from there he was gone the rest of the night. But It's pretty crazy to think there's bear out here in Bass Lake. Anyway, we're gonna just do some quick getting up and getting things in the truck, and then head into Yosemite Valley. So I'm excited. All right. Alright guys, so Yosemite has a reservation system with, you know, COVID happening, so we end up having to show our ID with the reservation, of course, and we had another reservation under my name, but you have to show ID. So if you have somebody else with you, recommend give them a copy of your ID, and that way they can get in, because once you have no signal here, if they're not going with you, it's going to be super complicated. So we're able to send out my ID for the other group that's coming with us. But alright, we have about 30 more minutes into a campsite, but let's just brief update of information what's happening with Yosemite and the reservation system. So you need a reservation, you show your ID, and if someone coming with you, you need to show a proof of ID. Alright, we're gonna actually check out Tunnel View, see my sister and my nephew and my brother-in-law first time seeing Tunnel View. It's pretty iconic. This is my sister and brother-in-law, my nephew, first time seeing Tunnel View. What do you guys think?
What you were talking about?
Yeah.
Like this watchtower, I remember cover.
Yeah. Let's go down there more, avoid the crowd. We're gonna take a picture down there. So many people here. Never cease to amaze me how beautiful this is. Yeah, that was pretty neat to see bear and two cubs in the valley near the meadow that we always usually just kind of hang out at. So I think definitely the wildlife is out this year. Well, at least last year was kind of the same, I heard. But yeah, it was really pretty to see. So we have maybe 10 minutes until we get to our campsite, Upper Pine. But just in general, this year has been really nice. Not too many people. Usually summer is like full of people here, almost like Disneyland. But right now, limited, so which is nice. Definitely make your reservation early. You guys plan to see Yosemite in the summer. All right, let's get to our campground. Finally got all the crew here. Got two trucks. Got my friend Scott, friend Jonathan, and check out Scott's new upgrades. Max Tracks, T4, Trasheroo. Actually, it's not Trasheroo, it's something else. But oh, campsite. Bunch of little kids running around too. It's really hot right now, but it was shadier earlier. But it's beautiful. Wata! So we are gonna go chill in the river, down by the river. We're gonna do Mirror Lake. I've been here a few times, but it's just so hot, nothing else to do. And supposedly they close off the trail, so we can't really drive a truck there. So we just have to hike from our campground over, which is around a mile or so, but it's all paved. Just hang out at the river. Easy trail. It's for the kids to have fun. And it's 3 o'clock, but man, it feels hot in here. All right, let's see how much water there is at Mirror Lake. All right. So that was a fail, right, Scott?
It's all good. It's part of the adventure, right?
Yeah, I feel bad bringing like 4 little kids, thinking of going to a cool watering hole to swim. It's like no water, so we're heading back to the river near our campsite. But man, it sucks. I never seen this Yosemite this dry, but just be cautious. If it's dry down here, don't do that if you want to go up Mirror Lake looking for some water. It's not gonna be any. All right, well, we'll head back to the bridge area and then we'll do swimming. We're back at the entrance to our campground there. Well, definitely drier than normal, but cool area to hang out. All right, little water area, chill. Love you.
Well, it's not for me. No, you want to play with the monster truck?
Alright, you guys know what it is. Hot pot night. Getting the fire started. Get our veggies going. Get a kimchi. Ew, I'm excited. So hungry. Chilling in the river. Takes a toll out on you. Alright. It looks so good.
The recording began.
Oh. And my sister.
Funny. Why is it so funny?
She doesn't want to be famous. Just kidding.
Come on, for the subscribers.
Ooh,
It's all about the subscribers.
that's good. You got the miso here.
If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button.
Yeah.
That like and subscribe.
Hit that
Turn
like
on the
and subscribe.
notification
Do me a
button so I
favor.
can.
Hit that.
Making videos is very strenuous.
Yes. I hurt my back today just for you guys. So.
Doing nothing.
During